Hi, my name's Corinne and this is my model artefact for primary science and technology, and it is my sustainable eco house. So it features working porch lights, a doorbell, ceiling fan and a rotating compost bin. So this is the porch lights and they're running off a parallel circuit, so that means if one of the light bulbs were to blow, the other one would still work, and same for the other one. So they operate independently from each other and off the same switch. Then we've got our operating doorbell. So that is working off a series circuit. We've also got the ceiling fan, which is working off the series circuit as well. So that is under here. That's the switch for that. And we've got the rotating compost bin, which is working off a series circuit as well. So if you flick this switch on here, it rotates around and you just open it like this, twist it around, and it's got some compost materials in there. So that is teaching students about sustainable living. And we've also got our little garden over here, which is just some herbs. So we've got parsley and mint, and that is made from an egg carton. So we've used all recyclable materials to make all the elements in here. The house is made from a cereal box, and we've got the compost bin, which is made out of a recycled can, and we've got cardboard that we've made our little furniture with. So everything is made from recycled material. And we've got our real plant here, and the pot is also made from cardboard. This is an air plant, so it just needs a spray of water every now and then. And even our floorboards are made from cereal box that I've painted. So that is the front porch, and now I'll show you all the circuits and how they work. So on the side here we've got our compost bin, which is running off a series circuit. So the switch is connected to the battery pack. The battery pack is connected back to the motor, and then the motor is also connected to the switch. So the motor is just through there, and it is attached to the can, which makes it rotate. And then also the same with the fan. So the motor's on the top here. We've got a cable connecting down to the switch, and the switch connected to just a little battery, because I didn't want the fan to go too fast, so we've just got it connected to a small battery, which is connected back to the motor. So that is how that operates. And I'll show you again with the compost bin how that rotates. And then I'll show you behind the house. So back here we've got our operating doorbell, which is off a series circuit as well. So that is, the button is connected to the buzzer, and we've got the buzzer back to the battery pack, and the battery pack back to the buzzer. And when I first assembled this, I connected the black wire with the red and it wouldn't work. So then I tried it with red to red and black to black, and that's worked. Then we've got our parallel circuit. So this is where the light bulbs are connected to each other and also to the switch and the battery pack independently, so they're able to work without each other. So that's that operating. So without that, that's our parallel circuit, all of these cables, just not that one. So yeah, that is our parallel circuit there. And that's it. So through this house model, it teaches students about design and technology, science, and it also teaches them PDHPE through healthy eating if they're growing their own vegetables and eating them, and also it teaches them about other cycles such as composting. So if someone was to eat some vegetables and they had some leftovers, they could put it into the compost bin, and then it would rotate and create a compost mixture, which you then put back into your garden to grow more vegetables. I've just reassessed my model, and instead of having 4 battery sources for each individual function, I've cut it down to 2. So I've got our 1 battery source for the compost at the front here, and the only reason why I didn't run it off the same battery source is just because the cables would not reach, and I don't have any longer cables. So for the back here, we've got everything running off the same battery pack. So we've got our doorbell still working, and then we've got our fan and lights as well. So here's the fan, and I'll move it so that you can see. That's our operating fan, and then we've got our porch lights as well. So that's all running off the same battery pack now, and the compost which just runs separately. So we've got all of them down to 2 now, 2 battery sources. Thank you for watching.